Well, greetings and salutations and happy Valentine's to anyone watching, everyone not watching this video, and everyone watching this video. And it's not offensive to say happy Valentine's since there are a bunch of holidays even in February. You don't have to say happy holidays. And it's fine saying Merry Christmas too. So might as well say Happy New Year to everyone also watching. And in this video, I really want to declassify quite some false claims even made in some foolish cartoon series even made in this day and age by some people who are behind Family Guy and some people who are behind The Simpsons. Now, personally, I should say I appreciate a lot of the voice talent behind them. There's some Jewish people who actually do a lot of the voice talent work, and a lot of Jewish people turned out to be incredibly talented and smart throughout history. But I might as well say a few claims here and there that they've made which just aren't fair. When it even comes to Lisa the Skeptic, saying that when they found this fossilized skeleton of an angel, and everyone wants to believe in it, and apparently Lisa says it can't be an angel and there is no God because it's not scientific to believe in God. And I should say there's a Family Guy episode where Stewie and the dog, whatever his name was, they were actually going through many alternate dimensions and coming across some alternate universe where there's no Christianity and all this technological advancements and flying surface boards and a lot of flying cars and a lot of great health care and floating chairs. And they say, because of no Christianity, they were able to completely advance in science. Basically, the Dark Ages didn't happen. I should say, no, I'm sorry, you got it all wrong. It's a historical misrepresentation. Basically, Catholicism is the one that's responsible for the Dark Ages, and that's a big, long story. And basically, true Christians were hiding. During the Renaissance times, I have to argue to you that just nearly about all branches of science were started by Bible-believing Christians, whether it be from Francis Bacon to Louis Pasteur to Isaac Newton, to Louis Pasteur till James Clerk Maxwell and Raymond Damadian, the guy who invented even the MRI. And people claiming today that saying that Bible believers can't be scientists, they're completely ignorant of the entire history that Christianity has actually played in science. Without God, science is actually impossible. And believe it or not, Stephen Jay Gould actually made a cameo appearance even in the Lisa the Skeptic episode from The Simpsons. Personally, I don't watch The Simpsons or Family Guy. Might as well say Family Guy is more of a ripoff of The Simpsons. But gotta be saying, if people want to believe in this angel and they want to go inside the museum, all of these good fossil archaeological displays and just tear it all down, I say no, you guys, we would not want to do that. Pretty much, the millions of year stuff is all baloney. I love science, observational science even, not speculating about the past when we weren't there. I'd argue that Darwin was no scientist, more of the anti-scientist, and he was known for making up stories when he was young. And pretty much, he predicted there would be so much transitional fossils, but there aren't any. And pretty much there's been a lot of misidentification from a lot of the bones that have been found. They can make up a whole bunch of stories from just a few little bones, right? So might as well say, Stephen Jay Gould, before he died, actually had Dr. Ken Hovind's Creation Science Seminar Series on his desk. Now, this is the topical series from his special messages, talking about the Bible and health, Leviathan, the fire-breathing dragon, the four loves, more reasons why evolution is stupid, and of course, Where's the Bride, or Don't Swing at the First Pitch. And not to mention, even saying that visiting Dinosaur Adventureland in Lenox, Alabama was quite a lot of fun. And not to mention the business card, which was quite awesome. There's Ken Hovind's salvation plan even on the other side. Basically to show that dinosaurs are a good witnessing tool called missionary lizards. Now, does that mean that Stephen Jay Gould watched all of Ken Hovind's videos and heard the truth and got saved? I don't know, but it's a good possibility. So might as well say, Seth MacFarlane, in charge of Family Guy, and all the people in charge of The Simpsons, get your facts straight. There's a difference between comical or creative humor and insult humor. So get your facts straight, all right? So pretty much, evolution is the hindrance to common sense research and scientific advancements. Believe it or not, nearly all branches of science were started by Bible-believing Christians, and evolution or Darwinism has added nothing to the realm of science. And what does evolution have to do with putting up a satellite or a spaceship? Go figure. P.S. Richard Dawkins, P.Z. Myers, any other atheist out there who is basically still alive and well, aside from Stephen Hawking, Sally passed away, and basically now he knows better. A lot of them are perfectly smart and very intelligent, but they're not wise. Pretty much they're wrong in a lot of areas. And basically, Ken Hovind will still debate you, Richard Dawkins, with half his brain tied behind his back. And basically, if he gets half the time, and you talk about one topic at a time, it's still up there for you. It will be the debate of the century. Richard Dawkins, I recommend you actually debate Ken Hovind. You'll be in for a surprise. But that's all I got to say for this video. Peace out. Keep thinking. Jesus bless you. Just search it out for yourself.